As you all probably know, we started this thing on Friday and it's now Wednesday, and the immense support from everyone is absolutely crazy and unreal to me. We have given out thousands upon thousands of bags of just clothes and makeup and toiletries and skincare to all these people, and I'm so happy that I got to do this. This literally feels like a dream. Like, I'm so happy. Big things are coming. We're going to be announcing some big things the next few days. This is just the very beginning. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much.